Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, 16th day. It's the second annual Sportsman show. Oh yeah. So, Friday, I got lucky, played some pull tabs, put $5 out, I'm on $300. So, anyways, let's go walk around. Anyway, you got your sunglasses.
You buy one, you get two free.
Wow, nice. All kinds of fun glasses. Yeah, those are kind of cool. Whenever I buy nice sunglasses, I always break them. I lose them.
Yeah, that's why buy one, get two free. You get 3 pairs for the price of one.
Right. What's the average price of them anyways?
$33 for one pair and you get two free.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. Thank you.
Sure.
I had a pair of those. I lost them. Kind of like those. All right, let's go. Let's go in here. You can see a lot. This is a. They have the bigger one over at. So over in things. We're gonna roll over here. Let's go over here. You can get all kinds of. It's the first day. It just opened up at noon. So let's go look over here and see what they have over here. All right. All right. Resorts. How you doing? All right. So you can book your stuff here. This is outdoor news. It's kind of a cool place. So you got all your lakes. These are I love these. We have I love that stuff. Lake Superior. You can drive all around that. We have this in our break room. You can drive all the way around. It'd been cool to take Adam the Woo around here. Very cool. They got all that stuff.
Floating in and out is perfect.
Relax. Lake Minnetonka. So, very nice. I love it. Very nice. All kinds of good backpacks, huh?
Hey guys.
What's going on? Oh my goodness. How's business today? Just started at noon, didn't it?
Noon.
Okay. I like that one. That's nice. Look at that one.
Got a lot of people coming in.
So you got all $59. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Because the next thing, I hope you guys like the RV show. I had fun doing that. But the boat show's next. These are like for if you're going to be traveling like a hockey bag even or something. Gear bags. Gear bags plus. Where do you go on safaris at?
In South Africa.
Oh my
Well,
goodness.
we do Botswana, Mozambique, Tanzania, and Zambia as well.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
That'd be that'd be a hell of a fun trip.
It is, definitely.
Oh my goodness. All right. My wife is a pen whore. She likes pens. How's it going?
Not bad, yourself?
What's this?
Float keychain.
Okay. Well, what the hell? Oh, I gotta like that. All right. So, where you guys local? You guys up in you Missouri? Down Missouri?
South Dakota.
South Dakota. Oh, sorry.
Right on the Missouri River.
All right. Nice. All right. How's business? All right. Happy trails. There's another nice one here too. Flying Northwest. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, my favorite stuff right here. I love these. This is my favorite. Right here, white ones. The lake I live on. Oh, this is The little fishing gear.
I make all my own stuff.
Nice. I love this color. My favorite. I like that. That's nice. What's that bass or?
Yep, bass and walleye.
That's what I thought.
Yep.
Nice. How much is this?
4.
Okay.
Yep.
You make those yourself?
Yes.
Very nice.
Yours starts with bare hook.
Do you have a website?
Yep. ironjig.com.
There it is, you guys. All right. Perfect. I like this one. I like white in the lake. I like that one a lot.
Snowball.
Yep. I like that.
Walleye like that too.
Yep.
I was up at Devil's Lake one
That bad boy.
National Guard.
That's a guy that makes all his stuff himself, man. More of this.
That water running on it was open. And so you had a little area to cast on. You
That-
go down there and hand rip it out.
You know, this is a
And you take a white
musky probably.
swim bait as a grub tail.
I like these white ones with just one.
That little seed.
So I love these. I could pink ones like right here, like the one I have right here. This is like this one with the white, like right here. This one right here I use all the time in the lake I live on. Love it.
They're not the worst about rock piles.
These are pretty good
It's
too.
not like fishing something with weed guard either. Like a football.
Do you have any questions? Are you two together?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's nice.
Did you come together?
Hello, how you doing?
I'm cutting deals, sharpening knives.
I see.
Are you making a movie?
So what? I'm just doing for my YouTube channel. So what's this? What is this? What is this?
That's our fishing knife.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
So, it's got a great handle. It comes in camo pink, green, orange, and black. It's got a great grip if your hands are bloody, wet, slimy,
Okay.
or cold. Built-in line cutter.
Okay.
Has the gripper to grip the fish's mouth.
Oh, okay.
Sharpener for the hooks and the blade.
Oh, nice.
And then it extends 6 to 9 inches.
Oh, really? What's the price of
So
that?
if you're fortunate enough to catch that bigger fish, free blades for life, forever
Okay.
guaranteed. These are $118.
Oh, okay. All right. I love the shirt. It's only money.
It's only money. Can't take it with you.
That's right. You're worth every penny. Thank you. I appreciate it. What's your
Never
web?
a dull moment.
What's your website?
Cut, my cut code rap, Jill Seaman.
There it is, you
Get
guys.
it from me, see.
There you go, you guys. Check her out. All right. Put it on the
I'm
video.
the sharpest lady you'll ever know.
Damn right. She's not an idiot, you guys. Nice. Love it. All kinds of fun stuff. Your Alaska getaway dream. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna get into. I was just talking to Carl. Here's a truck right here. Look at this bad boy. Woohoo! Mm-hmm. That bad boy. Nice. So now we're gonna get into party barge. It looks like. Look at this bad boy. It's a lot of work, man. Oh my goodness. But this is the beauty. This is kind of cool. It's a small version of the other bigger show, so I think it's kind of cool on this stuff. So I get all that, so you can go higher and higher and higher. There's your party barge right over here. What do they want for this pig? 50 grand. Excuse me. All right. That's okay. Not too bad. Party barge, huh? Oh yeah. 30 grand for this bad boy. There's your seat. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There's another one right over here. That one's kind of nice. All you need is a grill on the end of this sucker. Yeah. Well, I'm a Cowboys fan. I just collect hats. I'm a Cowboys fan, but whatever. I have over 5,000 hats.
Probably appreciate the Vikings and trading
Well, my wife.
Walker, right?
Yeah, I did. Thank you very much. But I have every hat, every championship hat from any championship. So I have a podcast. I talk about laundry baskets, not fantasy football. I don't live in mom's basement. And I don't put names in the back of sweaters or jerseys. I cheer for the headdress for Blackhawks and the Cowboys, but I can talk sports. So here we go. Here we go. You guys think about that, huh? Some nice seats. But yeah, it's as you can kind of tell over here, you guys. All the way over there. So, but yeah. So we'll for the first one here in the books, as they say, right? Take some pictures. Move on to the next one. All right, off we go.